Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed first unit from your textbook. Okay? But from today, we will going to revise that. Okay? So, I will explain each and every chapter in detail. Okay? But still, if you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay? So, today we go with the first poem, that is Don't Give Up. Okay? It is written by Philip Carey. Okay? So, students, this is poem about don't give up, means don't lose heart and stop trying. Okay, so this poem is all about the motivation and inspiration. Okay, so here you can see some examples. Okay, such as you can see in picture, one boy is playing chess. Okay, so one girl is dancing, one girl is riding a bicycle. Okay, boy is trying to high jump. Okay, and another boy is doing malakham. Okay, so they all are trying something new. Okay, some new things, some new games. Okay, so while learning that game, okay, while learning bicycle, while learning dancing, okay, they get fall. Okay, but they never give up. Okay, they don't stop to try new things. Okay, they just try, they just keep on trying that things, and one day they will definitely get success in that. Okay, so in this way, in our life also, we have to try new things. Okay, learn new things, and we will definitely get success in that. Okay, so in this poem, poet is trying to tell that or explain that with some examples such as bird or oak tree. So let's see what this poet is trying to tell us. Okay, so let's start with first stanza. Okay, if you have tried and have not won, never stop for trying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. So you can see here are some rhyming words in first stanza. Which are they? Won, done, crying, trying. Okay. So let's see what the poet says. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. Means if you have tried something new, okay, some new things, and you have not won, okay, you have failed, then never stop, never cry. Okay, work on that and you will get what you want. Okay, so students, sometimes we fail in some exams, okay, or in some sports. Then don't feel bad. Okay, don't feel that you can't do anything. Okay, you can do it. All just what you want is to try again. Okay, all is that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Okay, so all the great things, all the good things that I've done in the world, okay, till now are done by patient trying. Okay, you should continuously try on something. Okay, and at one day you will definitely get success. Okay, so in the first stanza, poet is trying to tell us that don't give up, don't lose your heart. Okay, and keep on trying, and one day you will definitely get success and you will definitely get what you want. Okay, now let's see second stanza. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Okay, so in second stanza, poet is giving example of young birds. Okay, so what are rhyming words here? Stronger, longer. Okay, so you know that young birds try to fly, okay, at their early age. Okay, so in this stanza poet is telling that the young birds are trying to fly, okay, but while trying they fall, okay, still their wings grow stronger. So even if they fall, they keep trying every day. Okay, so every day their wings grow stronger than the day before. Okay, in this way they keep trying every day, and one day their wings grow very stronger. Okay, and the next time they can keep up little longer. Okay, so the next time means the next day they can fly a little up, okay, so little longer, okay, than the previous day before. So you should try continuously, okay, you should try every day. That's why then only then you get a high jump, okay, or you can fly a little higher. So that young bird flies every day, even if he fall, he never stop, okay, he keeps on trying to fly, and one day he will fly high in the sky, okay, above all us. So what you learn from that? You will also keep on trying, okay, even if you fall, okay, you keep on trying, and one day you will definitely get that thing, okay. Thank you.